Unveiling the simple past tense, your key to English narration. Hello, language explorers. In today's journey through the English language, we're going to focus on a crucial aspect of grammar, the simple past tense. It's used quite often, so understanding this tense will significantly improve your English skills. Let's dive into the world of the simple past tense. Before we get into the simple past tense, it's important to understand what a tense is. In English, a tense refers to the time an action takes place, whether it happens in the present, happened in the past, or will happen in the future. Different tenses help us understand when events occur. Today, we're going back in time to explore the simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to talk about a completed action or state that was in the past. For example, I ate an apple, she played football, or we watched a movie. These sentences all describe actions that were completed in the past. Notice how the verbs change? That's the magic of the simple past tense. To form the simple past tense for regular verbs, we typically add ed to the end of the base verb. For instance, work becomes worked, play becomes played, and dance becomes danced. However, there are also many irregular verbs in English where the verb form changes in different ways. Like go becomes went, eat becomes ate, run becomes ran. Don't worry if it sounds complicated. The more you use them, the more natural it will become. We use the simple past tense in various ways. To describe an action that happened once in the past. Example, I visited Rome last year. To talk about several actions in the past. Example, she woke up, brushed her teeth, and went to work. For past habits. Example, when I was a child, I walked to school every day. For past facts or generalizations. Example, dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. And that's the simple past tense in a nutshell. Remember, English is a journey, not a destination. Practice makes perfect, and with the simple past tense, you're now better equipped to talk about past events. Keep practicing and keep exploring. Until next time, happy learning.